life for what it is and stop fight people and them life. Everybody cannot be the same. Enough people see me at Jamaica want things from me. I'm for follow that, me not reach here. My pure natural love because right now I hide from around 9.5 somebody in Jamaica. And that's the God Almighty truth. Because I don't make promises with people. But sometimes some people put things by and say, give me this, you can't give me that tomorrow. And you know, the answer is not a yes or a no, but the way them say it, you don't want to tell them no. But you want it tomorrow for yourself. I don't make that stop me from coming to my beautiful island. Because remember when I did young and lost off a foreign, Winston in the afternoon, and think foreign was all that. Picks a good afternoon. So I tend to me attacking at once, but the whole on a blood clot have sense and I eat that to know everything when me attack. The little girl said she got Sicily party and them never let her in and the security let her in and something. I feel it fear to baby, but them to big blood clot me where a big Mary in this. You understand me? So you have to just be persistent and believe in what you believe in. I know. So yesterday is not today. So what you done yesterday is you can't say 2 yesterday you didn't go, you're not going to go today. You have to be determined. King mix up, are you that a queen with me? One king mix up is the building. If you don't hear from king mix up, it's not credible. I'm telling you. King mix up, you can't lend me advice. I just hear again queen speech and I say in this world, you know, everybody cannot be the same. So it's all good and well for you. I say Queenie shouldn't do this, but in myself, me feel I should have do that. And when I go make where place name Macra last night? Mecca. When I go Mecca last night and saw the crowd, you see determination is a hell of a thing. And I say, sexy girl, I wanna go. Around 300 people are left, them say nobody can hold in there. I never go to Prims up. You want to see me like one little anchor dog. Itch up and I peep and I pray out the place. I'm a spot out the place. I'm sorry, I'm going to itch this song. I just, my feet bring me in. I never plan for go either. So my point is, obstacle go in our way. And you have to be determined in what you do, brother, sisters. Nobody, Derek, I love Derek. You know why I love Derek? He's got condition, but him still can't make the world smile. That's what makes Derek famous. Someone have 2 hands, 2 foot, 1 good pussy, 1 good cocky, 1 house, 1 land and 1 tractor. But every day on a blood clot get up on a moan and grumble and can't cope with life. So Derek will have condition and living. There's a lot of elders that appreciate Derek. Who would look a blood clot undermine itself, he can't undermine Derek because I don't feel like say, Derek is nobody. We're all someone. And when you cut the wall away of blood, you feel out of the wall of blood clot. So my skin on and say, ah! And I say my pussy big and stink. It's still a pussy and I have life. And if your skin on and I say your pussy little and sweet and smell good, it's still a pussy, it have life. So it's me where I be thinking pussy. No, so me have life. Me have to get some vinegar, throw it in a little water, and splash it up in my pussy because my pussy big and stink. So you have to make life what it is. Depression is fucking real. You see me, Queenie, me, can't school and telling a lot of things. It's my self-love where me have. Over myself, keep me alive. If me telling a 3 bomber blood clot quarter of my life, I want me to go through every day, but I still can't come here and make a smile. Appreciate who is alive and who is there and is around. There was time when you look every day at me up on the internet. You know, sometimes I say, God, I want it to go done. After a storm, there must be a calm. Everybody have them day and them time. 100 million throwing at the one, that's what's made the queen. Everybody have them time. Everybody have them at time when them. I remember I want to kill and beat them and did it's a process, it's a time, innit? They're still relevant, but they're not hot now. Last week you look on the internet, a cartel. Right now cartel kind of cool down. It's swiftly. You understand me? So it has to be the moment of time. That's why I said I live for the moments. So when I get joyful time, I get joyful time. But right crazy, the other half has never been told. And I can't get up. I will not get up and put down people unless you trouble me. On the two blood clot jealous and bad mind. Remember I know right crazy. If 10 are we going up, if 10 are we can't get number one, you know. You understand me? One I forget number one. The next 3 months, next one get number two. And it goes on. And if you're not determined, you might back out and don't reach. Too much crab in a blood clot, bar. I'm going to tell you the next thing. Man no respect woman. I know because woman so cocky, or lick up bottom, or blow bars. The Jamaican man, them, not all of them.
Yeah, they were of course not.
Because I see some man give me some married respect since I'm here the last few days. I said, that's nice. Because they know my principle and my philosophy as a married person. But right crazy is, there's a lot of things. Like me, I'm 54. Going 55 December. I go through menopause. Sometimes I wonder if I'm 54 or 24. Come in and say period for 4 months and then it come back flowing. Like me at 24. Me now go get up and go on all of these information. It come with so much side effect. It come with so much moods. It come with so much different things. So man go through midlife crisis. Woman go through menopause. So my point is, sometimes when you be nasty and rude to somebody, you can't stick a pin one at a time and say, come on. Give that person that credibility. No, Ramesh a thief, him a murderer, him a gangster, him a drunker. But he's a man with a soul of a heart for poor people. And I grew up come know say. My granny say, if somebody do 100 good, take the one bad in consideration. And that man, look out. If him say a mad man and him want bust the mad man, I'm not for rate him for that. I'm not going to say the man did do this and the man did do this and the man. Every blood clot leader is a drunker. Every leader is corrupt. Every leader is a dark shit. Typical human beings, not just leaders. We have moments. We have times when we pray and say blood clot and that you do my bumper wall. Oh, watch me. You're not evil at your tongue. Sometimes when you vent and you're rat, you say, it's like you know, take someone just knock out him blood clot and say, rah! The spur of the moment. When your heart calm back down, let me tell you what I read to the Ramesh. He's a down to earth man. And for the position of that man in, him have to be a bumper hole. So, me can't use him John Bumper all where him is. For the nature of where him have for poor people. Because remember 3/4 were poor in the right crazy. Me poor as fuck, but my spirit rich. So all of you hear me talk about lick out ass and kiss ass. I talk to my mother with it and she said, yeah, I forgot kissing my ass. And I said, Mom, you see it? It's the same thing as me saying, I'm going to lick out ass. It's just a raw word. But then people jump on it like them want to scan me for say them are going to get some bleach or some hot water to cleanse me. Which, I know me, a fool, I know fucking self. Because the whole of we are drunk, dark shit, Jamaican, we about awful when we are Christian. And you're still in a little Christian meeting. The little things them we talk. So when we see the nation, I say, oh, Queenie really said she got lick out cartel, but I remember like, watch these little underprivileged, dirty blood clad people. Let me on the reason now. Queenie, your past, you're better than that. Your past are never better than fucking what? That's how we speak as fucking Jamaicans. Nasty, awful, and disgusting when we have a fucking confrontation about anything. One answer to me. The Queen reign. And we will forever speak my fucking truth. And nobody can blackmail me. Me nah no management, no scanagement, nah no blood clot management. I do as I please. If I'm a lick of my body, I'm own that. I always tell her that. No blood clot body test, no nose, no ears, no blood clot eye test. Natural. Wanna see? I want a blood clot get. I see me do something fuck up. And you put me up on the stand. Me not go run no blood clot corner. That's the true authentic Queen Lady Gangster. But, let me tell you something. There's a beauty when you're at the party. I see a fella Jamaican them. Everybody I leave. You know? Remember when I look a bit, I met some more fame. I see the love of the people them give me a Jamaica. It's priceless. When I go in Jamaica last night, I think I might Sunday night something. Queenie! I mean one somebody, I mean two somebody, I mean three somebody. They so appreciate me. Because I be myself. So if two kangaroo drop out of my pussy, I'm fry them and eat them with two blood clots, slice of bread. I'm say kangaroo drop out of my pussy. It's my truth. It's my experience. Me now get up tell you say kangaroo drop out of your pussy. Enough to make people flow, man. Too much bad man and jealousy. Listen to the national anthem. Eternal Father bless our land. It's all of us land. Guide us with his mighty hands. Una come at me and tell me say Cicely not pay me no mind. How are they? Cicely never call me up. Cicely this. It doesn't fucking matter. I am the fucking queen. And if me feel so me are gonna want cane feel, and me are gonna take me near and broke the blood clot cane. Me no business who want blood clot eat the cane or take the cane juice and drink for blood clot juice. Oh God, me call the man. Where my name is Swiss. I don't know so I'm a list tongue and when me and I'm a debate, I give somebody else 10 names, so I'm not person. Yeah, I'm glad my dad Jamaica, I feel good and nice. And then I bully me. Because I'm not bully enough. I just give my figure speech. I won't forget black. I just come here a while ago and say, no, I'm going to make my work with them so I look good. I say RT Boss last night. RT Boss at Jamaica. He was at Mecca as well. I say, right crazy bomber clot, make a rum. Out that door, one only people Queenie. Nobody can hold back in there. At that me I tell them I'm different in the right crazes. You understand me? So no matter what no type saying, I'm just say, oh please, I want to them people. Them think they can't type and change my life. Nobody can change my life, people. I know what I want, I know where I go. And I know where I come from. You understand me? I not lie, I feel good. May I live Jamaica for me, I don't know. You know? Number one, wife, you pick up yourself. Well, crazy, it's nice, you know. But there in England, I couldn't travel all long. And care much. How was that? I went to catch one that?
I like the piece of it.
Oh. And I care much people go to airport and couldn't travel. I always tell them, say, anytime I can travel, I'm going to take plane and like a taxi. I live by my words, right? Crazy. My words are my true bonds. I'm saying something. You see something turn me on? Alright. You see me get 10 pounds and say to yourself, go on the shop, go buy me 5 bag juice and just come and put the bag juice and throw the bag juice in for me. Don't tell me don't throw the bag juice in because you kill my buzz. Just simple little things I appreciate it. So my point is there, with this TikTok something, it bring out some of the Jamaican them talents. And it put them on a levels where them can't help if either them cousin, them mother, them granddad. You understand me? Because back in the days you'd have all your family and you don't even hear from them. Now them see up on internet. You understand me? So my point is appreciate the strength of the Jamaicans and stop fight them down. Stop fight them on a fella Jamaican when you see them get a highlight and stop compare. Everybody character different and everybody special and gifted in them own way. I could never compare myself with nobody. Listen back to my song. Can't compare with the Queen. Top trending, top stream. You cannot compare with me. Because my words of speech, if it's even my list, if it's even my non-pronounced word, make me spontaneously different. So there is no comparison. World dog, ta-na-na-na, superhero I'm used to do. Him full of natural content and character. You know me feel good. If you just see me and know say youth, I'm proud of you. You give Jamaican hopes. Take the hopes and make it positive from what the youngers them are doing. Everybody now gonna come perfect and nice, but them are work, Virgin. You have the handicap, you have the foot cap, and you have the blood clot head the cap. Every blood clot cap there on TikTok. Proud, loud. Then uno now as some bumblewell crab in the back crutches. Remember now uno support the Jamaican them now. Make me on a reason. We will get support of people who see we say blood clot. I saw the Jamaican girl them sexy. I saw the Jamaican girl them more bad. I saw the Jamaican boy them full of argument. Those are the people that gifting the Jamaicans. But uno crabbing at the bar will get jealous now. I guess the boy, true Queenie man no want her and her man dump her. Nobody enough to send me one rose. Just for argument's sake.